Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. The kickback mad on the spinner, I see enough man.
Yes guys, what's cracking? Today we are going to do a video on Online Soccer Manager. So let's get straight into it. Okay, I don't care. England. Right, hold up. Okay, we are going to be rebuilding Arsenal. I'm just going to check. Just going to think of a name. Okay, we've got it. Let me just check the bonus. Let me claim it. Right, we got some money now. Okay, right, let's check our lineup. Right, Leno in that. Wait, what did I just pick? Right, defense, Ben White. Over defender, let's go with Gabriel. Then it's Tierney. Then we'll go with a Tomiyasu. Right here, we'll go with Odegaard here. Here we'll go Shaka. Then we'll put in Emil Smith Rowe. Right here, we'll put Lokonga maybe. Now we'll put Gabriel Martinelli. Here we'll put Saka, and up front, man himself, Lacazette. It's not a bad team. It's an alright team. 5.7 million to spend. Let's check the roster. Right guys, turns out it's not called a roster, it's called squad. Right, we're gonna sell Mohamed El Neni. Sell him instantly. I'm looking to upgrade that defense. So I'm gonna sell Suarez because he's old. Not young anymore, he's old. Oh wait, we've got Ramsdale. I didn't even notice. Oh my god, I completely forgot we've got Ramsdale, right? Ramsdale's going in there instead of Burn Leno. Right, transfer list. Who could we buy for 15 mil? We could buy Bastoni. Okay, we're gonna do that, but in order to do that, I have to watch an ad. So we're gonna pause the video. And boom, just like that, we have got Alessandro Bastoni. Right, so we're gonna put him in the squad for Gabriel. And an instant upgrade to the squad. Right. What next? I reckon I should upgrade the striking position. So we're gonna go to the roster. Right, Lacazette is going for a decent amount. I might sell him, don't know. I'm going to go to the transfer list. Who could we buy for the money that I get from Lacazette? That's good. Okay, let's see. No one really. I suggest Naki Williams. Or we could get Asensio. How much is he going for? 17. Nah, I'd rather go for Iñaki Williams. Right, we'll go ahead and go to squad. Sell him instantly. Okay, sold him. Rob Holding, you can go as well. Okay, let's see if we can buy now. Wait, no one yet. Okay, right. Maybe. Okay, hold up, guys. Right, guys, I have just done all of that, and I can't even afford Asensio yet. Asensio, I'm gonna buy him after tomorrow's match that I'm gonna play. After tomorrow's match that I'm gonna play. I'm gonna film it as well, but everything. Yeah, I'm gonna put Pepe there though. Yeah, and that's it. I'll just play tomorrow's match and then I'll get enough money to get Asensio, so he'll play striker. I'll put him striker, so I'm just gonna do the training, put some players to train. For example, Martinelli, Smith Rowe. Who else? No, not Bastoni. Maybe Tierney. Yeah, Tierney. And Ramsdale. Yes, that's it. That's all we're gonna do for the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, turn on post notifications once you hit that subscribe button. Bye.